RS3, the very first Audi of 2026 season. We tried to do a lap last year, actually.
We tried.
We didn't manage, but luckily we managed to do it this time. So it's actually quite special. You can already guess by looking at the window banner from our neighbors, Radar Motorsport, over there. Essentially Mantai, they really know what they're doing because their whole racing career started essentially with Audis back in the days with the TT, and yeah, nowadays they can do great setup. Absolutely. So, what have you done to it?
They can.
Yeah.
I've done some club sport track tool adjustments, you can say. From suspension to power to interior, we have several modifications.
I guess KW?
KW two-way competition suspension
Nice.
with uniball camber plates all around. Set up, as you already mentioned, made by Radar Motorsport. Minus 3.2 degree camber in the front, minus 2.4 in the back.
Wow.
As you see, CRS tires from Nankang.
Yeah. 235 on the
235 square. Bigger move-it brake discs in the front. Other brake discs in the rear too. Endless pads all around. Brake lines, fluid.
Really, really good.
Several modifications in the interior.
Yeah, we have carbon wheel, we have Ricardo pole position seats, short harnesses, also back seat removed. It's really, really clean build, really nice, and has also power upgrade.
It has power. Should I open up the...
Yeah, oh yeah, if there's anything seeable. I mean, I heard the turbo blow off and whistles.
You could hear it. We have another turbo. We have full Eventuri carbon air intake.
Yes.
We have turbo inlet.
Very nice.
We have Wagner intercooler.
Very cool.
Stuff. We have thicker oils and better fluids.
Yeah. How much power were we running?
We're running 650.
650.
And 740 torque.
Wow. It was really, really nice. The thing that I noticed, well, first of all, it was really confidence aspiring with all the right mounts, proper suspension, brakes, the best you can possibly get, and tires that allowed us to go quite fast around the corners. The one thing, of course, RS, you have the engine over the front axle, so you still have quite weight on the front, and the newer models, the 8Y I think is the latest one, right?
8Y,
has this, has a very sophisticated and fancy torque vectoring, and in the past I was like, yeah, whatever, but after having driven those, they rotate so good. So this is something you actually do miss here. You can really notice the engine, like the weight over the front axle, so it's still a bit understeery, but Radar Motorsport has done a fantastic job with the setup. Like with many previous laps, Jackie still hasn't left us, and he was driving with our M2, the G87 off-track speed with Vulcan Alpha kit, so just 450 horsepower, 650 horsepower, aero track mods, and yeah, I mean, you will see for yourself. But all I want to say, I'm happy we can make it happen. It was really, really cool, so thank you so much. And yeah, you guys enjoy the lap. I usually try to talk through the lap, but this time it was today, right now that we're filming it, is Sunday, the second day of 2026 season. I said, I'm gonna focus on driving, just simply to have a great finish, and this is one of the cars that you just, you do not need to comment. The driving and the experience shows and speaks for itself. Alright, enough talking, enjoy the lap. Alright, we are on the track. All the windows are closed. Sync lap, this goes in my pocket, mic is running, still remembering how to make content on the Nürburgring, because second day of the track reopening, 2026, behind us, Jackie Ding, that I like to call Jackie X, very good driver from PhD, he has PhD in racing, I've been told. Alright, everything's off, oil is warm, we are good. Alright, then off we go, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Good power. Really good power. Nice. First Audi of the season that I'm driving. Good power, good brakes, suspension setup. Right now the tires are still a bit soft and cold because the track's been shot, but really, really good. Some cars coming off at T13, so always need to watch out for this. Good to do. Might be one of those laps where I'm just like quiet and just gonna factoring in the newer Audi RS models. If you're tuning in just now, Jackie behind me, who said he's gonna follow. So his car is definitely faster, although in the corners for sure, under braking too. So normally I would let him through, but since he doesn't know the track that well, we also agreed that he was just gonna follow and enjoy the atmosphere and learn the track. Vibrations coming off the brakes, but then again, Audi RS wings. Tires are also nice and warm. The pressures are good because we are on 9 CRS. Funny how the right one has much more heat. The right side. Maybe it was preheated beforehand. because it's an RS, so over the front axle. It's not as understeery as it will be from factory, so good setup, but definitely missing some torque vectoring from the newer models. Really enjoyed it, but with the torque vectoring you can make it rotate so much nicer. Like the Y8Y, I think the latest gen, the facelift and pre-facelift. Really love those. So this really enjoyed. Oh, I know that car. It's like 500 billion miles E92 M3. Drove it last year or year